Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Dining Delicious. Today I will be sharing with you a delicious chicken recipe. It is called chicken kofta curry. It is a very easy and flavorful chicken recipe. You can enjoy it with both rice and the Indian breads, roti, paratha, etc. So let's look at the ingredients needed for this recipe and get started. First, we need to add chopped onion, garlic, ginger paste and some other ingredients to the chicken keema. Mix the ingredients and spices into the chicken keema. Make balls and deep fry them. Detailed recipe link is given in the description box below. The ingredients for the gravy: fried chicken balls or koftas, 1 big potato diced, 1 big onion, 1 medium-sized tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of chicken masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt and sugar as per your taste, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, chopped coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we dice the onion and the tomato. Then in a mixer we make a fine paste of the onions, garlic and the tomatoes. Now in a pan we heat up 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. We will use the same oil in which we have fried the chicken koftas. When the oil is hot, add the diced potatoes. You can add potatoes if you like. If you don't like, you can skip potatoes. Add a pinch of salt. On high heat, fry the potatoes for 3 minutes till they are light brown. As you can see, the potatoes have turned light brown. Now put the heat on medium. Add the onion, garlic and tomato paste to this. Saute on high heat for around 4 minutes. Now we will add the ginger paste. Again, stir and saute nicely for 3 to 4 minutes. After around 4 minutes, put the heat to medium level. Now we will add the spices one by one. Coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, chicken masala powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, add salt as per taste. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix and saute all the spices very nicely for around 5 minutes. You can add a little bit of water to mix and saute smoothly and evenly. We can see that the spices are releasing oil. Now we will add 1.5 cup of warm water to this. Increase the heat and bring it to a good boil for 1 minute. Add the garam masala powder. Give a good stir. Now simmer the heat and cover the pan for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, we will open the lid. Wow, look at the color. The potatoes are well cooked. Now we add the fried chicken koftas to this. Add half a cup more of warm water as the koftas will absorb the gravy very quickly. On high heat, cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the heat. Now add the fresh cream. Also add chopped coriander leaves. Now cover the pan and give it a standing time of 5 minutes before serving. So, our chicken kofta curry is ready to go to the table. Please do try this recipe out and let me know your feedback. Also, please do like, share and comment. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye.